Hey everybody, it's Drew. Welcome to Sunday Wrenching. Today we're working on my 1971 Honda CB100. This is a really cool bike. Smell that gas leak? It's this thing. It's got gas just coming out of the Petcock. I mean, look. I'm not 100% sure where the leak is coming from. It looks like it's just coming out of the Petcock bowl, maybe from behind the switch. So we're gonna figure that out. We're gonna take it apart, see what's going on inside, then ideally fix it, and then go ride it later. Also, I've got new brakes for the front and rear of this bike, so that's on the list for today too. Let's go. Does anybody know what this is? What is that? Looks like it glows in the dark or something. All right, so the tank is off the bike right now, and currently the Petcock is in the off position, but if you look, gas is just still coming out. So presumably something's going wrong with the Petcock switch. So let's open it up and see what's going on there and see if we can learn something. So while we're waiting for the tank to drain, I'm gonna go ahead and do the brakes on the bike. Both the front and the rear use the same size brake shoe. It's so tiny, it's so cute. So this is for a 100, and then comparatively this is a 500. Look at the size difference. I'm so used to like 350 and 500 shoes. This thing is so tiny. Anyways, let's go throw them on. All right, so inside there is the brake shoe that we need to replace. And there you go. All right, so here are the brakes that we just pulled, and here are the new ones. These are Honda marked, so it begs the question, are they 40 years old? 50 years old. And you can see that difference. So this will make a nice improvement on braking power. Oh, that doesn't taste good. All right, up next is the rear brake. I mean, look at that difference. That versus that. That versus that. These definitely needed to be replaced a long time ago. All right, Petcock time. Well, I think I figured it out. I pulled the switch off and the gasket that lives right behind it, I mean, you can see, look, it's getting chewed up. See that little piece there? I'm sure that's blocking one of the passageways or something. So I don't have a replacement gasket, but I'm theorizing that if we just kind of flip this around, the condition is fine on this side. There's no pieces coming off blocking the passage. I think it'll be all right. All right, moment of truth. We've got the Petcock rebuilt and on the tank. Put some gas in there, see if it leaks. All right, it's off. Let's turn it on into reserve. And yeah, look, gas is coming out. Let's turn it off. And no gas coming out. We've got a functional Petcock. We fixed the bike. Went ahead and fixed the leaky Petcock, which turned out to be that gasket that lives behind the switch. It was damaged. We just flipped it around, put it back together. It's not leaking. We also put new brakes front and rear. Now it stops on a dime. Let's go ride. Also, just want to give a huge shout out and thanks to Rider Justice for helping support this video. They're standing up for bikers' rights. If you ever need any motorcycle legal help, check them out. Let's go rip. Look at that.